Wasting your weekends hauling heavy bags of dirty clothes down 3 flights of stairs to a sketchy local laundromat, or desperately trying to cram a massive, standard-sized laundry pair into a tiny apartment closet is an absolute nightmare that completely drains your time and sanity. Relying on slow, ventless combo units often traps you in endless, multi-hour cycles that leave your clothes feeling damp, hot, and wrinkled. The Equator 24-inch ultra-compact value laundry pair completely rescues you from public laundromats and tight space restrictions, functioning as a high-velocity, space-optimized fabric care workstation engineered to bring total laundry independence straight to your apartment, RV, or tiny home. Don't let its slim, ultra-compact footprint fool you. This stacked or side-by-side setup packs heavy-duty cleaning hardware tailored for maximum efficiency. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its plug-and-play standard 110V electrical layout. Unlike massive commercial dryers that require a rare, heavy-duty 240V outlet, this clever system runs completely off standard household wall plugs, completely eliminating the need for expensive, landlord-unfriendly electrical rewiring. Engineered to optimize every square inch of a tight floor plan, the set pairs a 1.57 cubic foot front-load washer with a specialized 2.6 cubic foot short-vented dryer. This real external exhaust vent means hot, moisture-laden air is forcefully pushed entirely out of your living space. This high-velocity airflow pattern dries your fabrics drastically faster than competing ventless condensation models, completely eliminating the stagnant, humid air smells that plague enclosed spaces. The washer features an advanced LED display tracking multiple customizable cycles, including an eco-wash and an allergen-reducing sanitize mode, while the dryer utilizes an intelligent sensor dry system that shuts off the heat the exact millisecond your clothes are perfectly crisp to save power and prevent fabric shrinkage. Complete with a rugged stainless steel drum matrix that actively protects delicate garments from snags, built-in winterization options perfect for cold weather RV living, and a space-saving 24-inch width profile that slides seamlessly into standard linen closets, it is the ultimate, stress-free upgrade for urban renters, vacation property owners, and road trippers who demand uncompromised, professional-grade clothing maintenance and absolute placement versatility. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are sliding this ultra-compact Equator pair into a tight downtown apartment closet or deploying it to upgrade your off-grid RV road trips. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart home appliances, tiny living space savers, and premium gear breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.